In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your EA account with your Steam account. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up an internet browser and head over to the website ea.com. Now, in the top right hand side, make sure you're signed into your account and then click on your profile icon. From here, select account settings and then scroll down to the bottom and click on connections. Now, from here, you'll be able to find all of the different connected accounts to EA. All we simply need to do is scroll down to Steam and click on link. And before we can link our Steam account, we need to verify our identity via our email address. So I'm just going to press send code and then just enter the 6-digit code that will have been emailed to you and press sign in. Now, once you've signed in, you'll also need to sign in with your Steam account. So I'm just going to enter my Steam details here and press sign in. Now enter the code that will have been sent to your Steam account. Then we can go and click on sign in, select allow, and just like that, you're now able to link your EA account with your Steam account. Now, do bear in mind that you'll only be able to link one Steam account to one EA account, so make sure to link it to the correct account, as once you've changed this, it can't be changed again. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.